What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here the top 5 Xiaomi Mi 6 case. Currently Xiaomi Mi 6 is one of the best value for money. I mean the best phone, one of the cheapest phone with the Snapdragon 835. So the number 5th case is from one dot a simple beautiful looking case with full protection. Number 4 is from DW Box, a simple robotic style case. And number 3 is from Dayjoy, a simple beautiful case with a ring style stand. And number two is from Kappa. I really love Kappa. On for only $6 you can't go wrong. And number one, my favorite is from Ringy. If you are rocking a blue Xiaomi Mi 6, then you need this Ringy Crystal Clear case. All of the links are in the description box below. So it was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.